the purpose, inshallah, to read the Quran. Yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
our
Inshallah.
practice will be focused on how to read Quran. Good.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
For do such stuff, we're gonna start from the beginning. Nice.
Yeah. Should I get a paper and pencil as well, or do
That
you
is
think it's not necessary?
perfect. That is perfect if you want to have a
Okay.
notebook or pencil.
Yeah. Give me 1 second. All right, I'm ready.
Okay. So we have the Arabic letters and the sounds. What are the Arabic letters
Mm-hmm.
and sounds? They are exactly, yani, in most of them, like the English ones. Not
Mm-hmm.
new sounds or something. Yes, we have some like unique Arabic sounds, but not too much. Like
Mm-hmm.
4 5 sounds, but we have just like above 20 sounds the same as English. Like ba, we have this ba is English, da in English, yeah, tha in English, jim is in English, and so on. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so and okay, the second is just like the Arabic letters are groups of letters, groups
Mm-hmm.
of letters. Groups of letters, what does it mean, groups of letters? The same letters have the same shapes, okay, but different dots, as you see. And every one gives you what? Gives you a different sound. Go. Let's get started and see this in practical. This
Mm-hmm.
is just, we call it alif. We call it what?
Mm-hmm. Alif.
Alif. Okay. Can you know that? Do you know that?
Alif, ba,
Exactly.
ta,
Nice.
let's say,
Tha.
uh,
Say it.
uh,
Tha, 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 tha.
tha,
Yes. Look at my
tha,
tongue touches my upper teeth. Tha.
yeah, tha,
Say it.
tha,
Tha.
tha,
You know how to
tha,
say thanks?
yeah,
Thanks. Yes. We don't say
tha,
thanks.
tha,
We don't say thanks.
yeah,
We just say thanks. Yes. Tha.
okay,
Yes. So this is the
tha,
same Arabic sound as in English. Tha.
okay, alif,
Alif.
ba,
Just read here.
yeah,
Ba.
ba,
Da.
da,
Tha. Tha.
da,
Tha.
da,
Tha. Tha.
da,
Tha.
da,
So this is the first group. Repeat it.
da,
Don't
yeah,
worry, we're gonna practice until you're perfect. So no worries,
yeah,
inshallah. Yeah?
yeah,
No worries how many times we repeat that. That's what natural
da,
debate, like, yes.
da, da, okay,
All
I got
all
it,
of them
yeah.
again.
Alif, ba, da, da.
Yes, but tha. I wanna you just focusing tha.
Tha, tha,
Tha 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 tha.
tha,
Yes, tha, like
tha,
thanks.
tha.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice. This
Tha.
is yes, Jim.
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 Yes, this is the second group of letters. Ha.
Ha.
Exactly,
Was
you
it?
are saying it
Ha.
perfectly. You're saying it perfectly. I didn't expect that you're gonna say it perfectly. Yes, ha, because one of this is a unique Arabic sound, is not in English, and many people just wrongly saying that. But Alhamdulillah, you said it perfectly. Ha, say it again,
Ha.
again.
Ha.
Yeah, mashallah. It comes really nice because this is a really hard sound. Many people just cannot say it. Yeah. So you're saying
Uh,
it perfectly, alhamdulillah. Okay. This one
yeah.
is
I know I can speak Urdu a little bit, so maybe that's
ha
helpful.
is in Urdu. The sound ha is in Urdu.
They're similar, the letters are very similar in Urdu.
Not the letters. I'm talking about the sound. Is
The
the sound
sounds?
ha is in Urdu? I'm not sure.
Yeah. I
Is
think
it?
it is. Yeah. Ha. Yeah.
Say a word
Yeah.
in
Miriam,
Urdu.
is ha in Urdu? Ha, the sound? Yeah. Yeah. It's the same.
Tell me a
Yeah.
word in Urdu has
It's a
ha
word.
sound.
I don't know. Not thinking about it. It's a word that has that sound.
No, you have to tell me. As you're saying, it is in the Urdu language.
तुम आ रहे हो तुम कहाँ है कहाँ हो
So your
आ,
Urdu is really bad.
कहाँ yeah
It's bad.
it's not it's कहाँ है yeah I guess you could but it's not completely the same the sound I was asking my wife
Yeah.
yeah it's a little
She's
bit
better.
less
She's better
there's
than you in Arabic or in Urdu.
it's better in Arabic and probably in Urdu as well.
Okay. So this is kha, the last one in this
Ha
group. Kha.
ha ha
Again,
ha
kha. This is a heavy. In Arabic, we have heavy sounds and light. Look, when we say
Mhm.
ha, But look, we don't say kha, we say ho. Say it.
Ho. Ho.
Let's go from the beginning, all of them.
Alif,
Try.
ba, da, tha. No, alif, ba, da, tha. Is that Jim?
Perfect.
What
Ah,
is it? Ha, ha, and then it would be ho,
perfect. You're doing great. Dal,
dal.
dal.
Say it again.
Thal. You know how to say father in English, or the,
Mm-hmm.
or basically the in English. The, like the man. Yes, the.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is exactly
Da,
the sound in Arabic.
da. Okay,
Thal. No,
da,
no, no. Get your tongue touching your upper
dal,
teeth. Exactly.
dal. Okay,
Thal.
dal.
No, this is da. This is dad. Like we are saying dad. Yes, dad.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
but this is not a da, this is a the sound.
Da, dal.
Yes, the father. Say it.
Yeah, dal,
No, no, no. Say father,
dal.
father.
Father,
Yes,
father.
exactly like here.
Da,
The,
dal,
the.
da,
Yes, you
dal.
see my tongue touches up. The.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Dal, dal,
No, no, you're saying
dal.
dal. You're saying dal, which is this one. But this one is
Mm-hmm.
thal.
Dal,
Yes, like that in English. Like that, exactly.
dal,
Yes,
da.
that. Maybe you're saying it, but I cannot catch it because your mic maybe is not perfect.
Yeah, I can use a different mic moving
Okay,
forward,
are you
but
saying
yeah.
that? Are you sure
Dal,
you're saying that? Like
da,
father?
father,
Yes,
father,
that.
father. Dal,
That.
dal, da,
Okay.
da.
Dal,
Yeah. Dal.
val,
What's the difference? Say that again.
val,
Dal.
val.
Oh, it was almost like a zit. Thou,
Yeah, that's it. Again.
thou,
Yeah, but you just get your tongue touches your upper teeth. That's it. Again.
thou,
Yeah, finally you got it. Yes, this is
thou.
exactly like dad. Yeah, dad.
Mm-hmm. Thou.
Yes.
Oh,
So,
thou.
yes, this is
So
that. Focus it.
thou and thou. Okay. Yep.
Raw.
Raw.
Yeah, this is easy. This is just like za, but don't get your tongue out. Za. Like
Za.
Z in English, like the last English letter or the
Yeah.
last English sound. Za.
Za.
Exactly. Okay. Seen.
Seen.
Sheen.
Sheen.
Yes, as you see, we have all these sounds, almost all these sounds in English, except
Mm-hmm.
these two ones. Ha, but you perfectly said
Ha.
it, and kha, and you perfectly said it
Ho.
as well. Kha in German language, for example. Yeah, kha, but it is not in English. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
let's practice from the beginning. Alif,
Alif.
ba,
Ba.
ta,
Ba. Da.
tha,
Da.
jim,
Jim.
a,
A.
ho,
Ho. Ho.
dal,
Dal.
ذال
Thou.
را
Ro.
زي
Zai.
سين
Seen.
شين
Sheen.
شين.
Sheen.
It is your turn now.
Alif, ba, da, tha, jim, ah,
Yes, ha, not ha. Ha.
ha, ha.
Yes, light one.
And then it is, and then,
The heavy one. This one is the heavy one.
oh, ho,
Perfect.
dal,
Yes, dal.
dal,
Val. Yeah.
thou,
Your tongue out.
raw.
Yeah.
And that's, what was that one?
Zay.
So, za, oh yeah, so like the Z, zal,
Yeah, zay.
zai,
Yes. The sound is zay. Z in English. Okay.
zai. And then this is sheen, no, seen,
Yes, the first one is sin, which is like S
seen.
in English, which is really easy.
Yeah, and then the second one is sheen,
Sheen, yeah, SH in English. She,
sheen.
yeah.
Yeah.
Most of these sounds are in English sounds. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. Shahir.
Shahir. Yeah,
Yes.
exactly.
Well, no, inshallah, next time we'll try to finish all the Arabic letters and sounds.
Yeah, inshallah.
Hopefully, inshallah. So you're gonna practice only these sounds. You try to write them down if you can write them down. Not now. I
Mm-hmm.
mean, I'm going to send you this anyway. I mean, while you're
Okay.
practicing, if you want to know how to write in Arabic, you try,
Mm-hmm.
to help yourself. But if you don't care about writing in Arabic, so it's not a problem. You just,
Mm-hmm.
if you don't really need to write anything in Arabic, or it's not in your mind,
Yeah, well, inshallah,
only
like the best situation could be that eventually I'm
no,
able to
some
write
some
it
yeah,
and
some
then
people are
know
really
what I'm
fluent
actually
with
saying.
reading, but they cannot
Yeah.
write, and that is natural. I mean, it depends on what the reason you like you learn that. Some people want to write and read. Some people only,
Mm-hmm.
and this of course taking just little longer time, and some people only focusing on reading, which is easier,
Mm-hmm.
you know.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, you can do both of them, inshallah, no problem.
Yeah. And I mean, I think for me the first goal is to read it,
The easy goal.
to be able to, yeah, to be able to improve my recitation.
Yeah.
And then eventually, if the long term, if I can write
Right?
it and then
Okay, I agree.
also understand what I'm saying eventually, right? Like that's the goal is like, but that's like maybe 2 years down kind of goal, right?
No, you're not
I
gonna
like to be
take two
able
years
to,
down to read Quran. You're not going to take 2 years down. It depends on how much you're reading or how many times
mhm,
weekly and so on. But inshallah, we'll
mhm,
never reach 2 years.
inshallah.
No.
Yeah. No, if I can do it quicker. Yeah.
Yeah, it will. Definitely, I promise. But you just do like today, everything
Hmm.
will be easy, inshallah. You're not the first one
Inshallah.
to read the Quran and to learn this. Many,
Hmm.
many. Alhamdulillah, I taught like tens of students yani, who could read from the beginning, these things,
Hmm.
and they are fluent with Quran, Alhamdulillah. So you're not the first one to do that, mashallah, yani. That is easy. Don't worry about that.
Yeah. I was saying like in 2 years, if I can read,
Maybe,
write,
maybe in two
understand,
years you're gonna be
that would be
fluent,
nice.
inshallah, yani, really fluent, yani,
Yeah. Yeah.
advanced. Okay, I
Yeah.
agree, yani, inshallah.